Good evening.
Evening, teacher.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Harry.
How old are you, Harry?
And
Where do you live?
is Mission.
I live. I live in.
I live in Mission.
Okay. By the way, how many are you in your family?
For
There
there
are.
are four in your family.
There are 4 people in my family.
There are four people in my family.
Okay, who are they?
Mom,
My mom.
my dad, my sister, and me.
Okay, very good. By the way, what's your favorite food?
It's orange.
I like
I like orange.
orange. And how about animal? What's your favorite animal?
It's monkey.
I like monkey.
I like monkey.
Okay, by the way, I have here pictures for you to guess. Can you name what's this?
It's my family.
It's family.
It's family.
It's a family, okay? It's a family. And this one?
It's nurse.
It's a nurse.
It's a nurse.
Okay. And how about this one?
It's doctor.
It's a doctor.
It's a doctor.
And this one?
It's policeman.